In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text in Constant Contact. Now, let's dive right in and get started with this simple yet essential technique. First, you want to navigate to your email editor within Constant Contact. Once there, you'll see a preview of your email layout. Your task is to click on or highlight the specific text block that you want to center. As a quick reminder, centering text can enhance the visual appeal of your email and bring focus to particular points or sections. So, assuming this text block isn't already centered and you'd like to make that adjustment, simply select it to see your options. After selecting the text block, take note of the menu that appears just above your selected text. This menu is crucial as it provides you with various alignment options. In a typical scenario, you'll see choices to align your text to the left, right, or center. It's all about tailoring the appearance of your message to match your preferences, and today we're focused on achieving that streamlined, centered look. Next, from this menu, you'll spot the Align button. This button serves as your tool to maneuver the position of your text within the block. Since our objective is to center the text, go ahead and click on the Center Alignment option. It's designed to position your text directly in the middle of the text box, ensuring a balanced and symmetrical appearance that's both professional and engaging. By selecting the center alignment, you'll notice that your text moves smoothly to the middle of the text block. Once done, take a moment to review the changes. Ensuring that everything looks good not only helps maintain a level of polish in your email, but also ensures that your intended message isn't lost in misalignment. And there you have it. You've successfully centered your text within Constant Contact. It's a straightforward process, but a valuable skill in your toolkit, especially when crafting emails intended to capture attention and convey professionalism. Remember, consistently applying these small details throughout your emails can have a significant impact on overall engagement and readability. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Experiment with centering text in different parts of your email. Perhaps try centering a call to action or crucial pieces of information that you'd like your readers to focus on. It's a powerful way to experiment with the visual flow of your communication. By understanding and utilizing these simple alignment tools, you gain control over your email's design, thereby enhancing the overall impact and effectiveness of your messages. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide to centering text in Constant Contact helpful. Happy emailing,